exposing the wild side of sneezing. Why are there not more people talking about what happened last night? Trust me, you won't believe this. His sneeze was like a sonic boom. The toaster's dropping sick beats, the fridge is launching a podcast, and mom's yelling, "No more cheese at midnight." But the chaos didn't stop there. The moon, it joined a boy band. Absolute madness. And somehow, in the middle of all this, he ended up president of the fridge. That's right, leader of the leftovers, boss of the butter, captain of the condiments. All because of one epic sneeze. So next time you feel a tickle in your nose, beware. You never know how wild things might get. Like and follow for more stories that are just too good to be true.